Hi, this is Keith Hurt. Come out to Glasgow Golf and Country Club Friday night at 6:30. Andy Wells, Jeff Boggs, and I are going to be doing some songs. We're going to have a good time, be some good food, drink specials. It's open to everybody. Y'all come on out. Let's have a good time. Well, now I've been out walking, and I don't do too much talking these days. Whoa, these days. These days I seem to think a lot about the things that I forgot to do for you. And all the time I had a chance, to. Well, now I had a lover, and it's so hard to risk another these days. Whoa, these days. Now I seem to be afraid to live the life that I have made in song. Well, it's just that I've been losing for so long. Well, now I'll keep on moving. Things are bound to be improving these days. Whoa, these days.
On Facebook, search GGCC Club. Send us a friend request and you can find out more about the great events going down at Glasgow Golf and Country Club.